ways to improve your game. Like, what is something that you would say you have improved in this year, in 2025?
Yeah, I mean, I think mentality is one of the biggest things. I was playing in the match play in July. I went on to lift the trophy, but in the earlier rounds, I found myself 5-0 down twice in 2 separate games. And like we were just saying there, you've got to get the momentum back, and you've just got to try and get yourself back into the game. So I've learned a lot this year from coming back from when I have been losing in games.
And I guess going into that, like, what are the areas of your game that you're still looking to improve and get better at?
Yeah, I think it's the finishing. I don't think everyone's finishing in the darting world is 100%. It can't be. We're always going to miss darts, but there's always time for improvement to pick up on it and hit them first or second time round.
All right. Well, it's funny because in a sport like this, right, you're always gonna have like famous rivalries, and you have obviously many different opponents, right, on the circuit, but the main name that always pops up is Luke Humphries. So do you find these types of rivalries like motivating, and what's your relationship with your main rivals like on the dart circuit?
Yeah, me and Luke, we always play our best darts against each other. We always play our best darts against each other. We always bring the best out of each other. We always put a show on for the fans. And I think me and Luke, the way we play, it's a quick throw, and it suits us both. And that's why we definitely play our best darts, and we always have a good game. And I think I've been on the tour for 2 years now, and there's so many more years and more rivals with Luke on the big stage.
So in the trading world, something that is really big is your psychology, right? You need to have a mental edge, not just a trading edge, but a way of being able to control your emotions. So what is something that you believe helps give you that mental edge when competing?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's obviously the winning side of it. Obviously, you want to win, but obviously when you're losing, you've still got to fight back. You've got to put your all into it to fight back and obviously try and get the win. And same as winning, if you're winning, you still want to keep it up, keep the momentum up. But yeah, you've always got to go till the end.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, crazy. I'm still so impressed. What you achieved at this young age is absolutely insane. And I see it in the chat here. Like they're going crazy. Like, how did he do it at this age? Absolutely nuts. So chat, we want to give you guys the opportunity to ask a couple questions. If you want to ask, if you ever have wanted to ask Luke a question, make sure you put it in the chat right now. We're going to pick the best ones, and we're gonna ask you.
Yeah.
I see you interact with your fans though, Luke, on socials, and especially like I saw a video of you when the fans were waiting outside for you to come out, and then kind of like teased them and said like, hey, some of you were definitely fanning for this other guy. it seems like you have a good and easy way to interact with your fans. Like, what's the relationship between you and the community?
Yeah, I mean, it's very good. Obviously, I've got a big following behind me, a lot of supporters. But yeah, I'll always do my best to reply to everyone on all social platforms and try my best for everyone. But yeah, even like you said there, when I came out the venue and said you're definitely supporting the other guys, it's all fun and games, and you have a laugh with your fans. That's
awesome. I'm curious to know too, like, what's something people don't know about Luke Littler, right? This is a Tradovate TV exclusive, guys. Okay, so what is something that the world does not know about Luke Littler outside of darts? This can be anything. This could be like hobbies, your favorite food, whatever it is, right? Like what makes you without darts?
I think everyone knows. Everyone knows a lot about me already. I'd say I love Nando's.
You said that? You said what?
Love Nando's.
Oh my god, maybe it's my I can't hear clearly. Maybe it's the hat. Say that one more time.
Nando's.
Nando's.
The restaurant run Nando's?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, maybe I don't know it. I don't know it.
You don't know Nando's, Miriam,
I
for real?
don't. I'm from the
Miriam.
States.
What's
Dude. I
going on
don't
here?
know if we have a Nando's.
I think Luke is gonna leave now. I'm not sure.
It's like, yeah, okay.
Oh, America has a Nando's.
You gotta know Nando's peri peri chicken. Come on, Miriam.
Okay, now I'm just Googling this. Nando's? I don't.
Oh, you're getting the
Maybe it's the
hamburger.
West Coast. Okay, I gotta get my West Coast people to confirm with me because there's no such. We don't have it.
That's funny. No, I just saw a question in the chat. Alexander is asking, Luke, how many hours a day do you play darts?
I don't really. I play at home now and again, but most of the time we're at other competitions, or we're on a flight to the next competition. We're in a hotel room. But when I'm at home, I think an hour and a half at max, because I've been playing that much darts. When you go home, you just want to relax. But with the World Championships around the corner, I'll have to put in a few hours when I do go home.
Yeah, that makes sense. Gotta keep the routine going, I guess. There's a very good question here in the chat. Another one from Kismaz, actually one of our OG Tradovate TV viewers, asking, Luke, do you have a fear of failure?
Fear of failure? Not really. I think obviously earlier this year, start of the year, when I won the World Championships, I said to all the media guys, if I go into this year and not win everything, then I'm still a world champion at the end of the day. But this is darts for you. We don't always win everything. No one's going to win everything. So there's some matches you're going to lose, but there's that much darts on in the year. The calendar is stacked, so there's always opportunities to go on and win other tournaments.
Yeah, makes sense. I mean, yeah, undeniable fact. You are number one.
He's like, why would I have a fear of failure if I'm number one? I love that, Luke. I'm curious to know too, if it wasn't for darts, okay, this kind of goes with my other question, but if it wasn't for darts, what do you think you'd be doing instead?
No idea. Probably still studying at college or uni, doing something with football, or just doing something with football or coaching or something like that.
Awesome. All right.
Hey, I got to ask you a personal question now. Okay, I knew this is going to pop up in the chat. I was hoping it wouldn't, but it did. So, multiple people have asked already. Does Luke put ketchup on steak?
Oh, gosh.
Ketchup on steak?
Yes.
No.
Okay.
Thank
because
you.
some people do that, and I don't know who that would be, but some people do that apparently, and I don't know, but
it's crazy.
Okay, guys, you heard it. It's not Luke, okay? It's not Luke.
We've tried to fire Nick multiple times for this abomination, but just hasn't worked quite yet. So
you don't know peri peri chicken from Nando's, Miriam.
Hey, I saw some people in the chat saying they've never heard of it either. So it must be like an East Coast thing because I've never heard of it. I was like, Lucas like looking at me like, are you okay? Like, okay, well, maybe I need to try this. So, oh man, I gotta know too, Luke, I mean, obviously, we're traders here, but have you ever put on a trade before?
No, never touched anything.
Well, because we had a really important question for you, and it is trading related, but we go into the markets every day and we talk to our viewers, we go over what we're looking at in the charts, and I just want to know if you would go long or short.
Long or short? I was gonna say short.
Hell
Short.
yeah, yes.
You have a fan now. Miriam always goes short.
Shout out to all my bears. You guys heard it here on Tradovate TV. It is shorts only, not financial advice, but shorts only moving forward. Oh man. See, Nick?
That's awesome. That's awesome.
I knew we would love him.
Yeah.
didn't quite, you know, hit your catch up with steak, which is great. You also passed that vibe check, Luke. So we're proud of you for that.
Definitely. Actually, there's another question that I saw multiple times pop up in the chat. What other sports besides darts are you interested in?
A lot of what, obviously, Manchester United, football, boxing, UFC, Formula One, rugby league. Yeah, that's pretty much all of them.
All right. Sick. Yeah, I heard you play a lot of FC on the PS as well, right?
On the Xbox.
Xbox, okay, yeah. Nice. Yeah, I'm more of a PS5 guy, so but Xbox is sick as well. Now we have a special announcement, like a little bit outside of the questions, something really freaking cool for all the traders that are watching right now. We have a special sale right now because of Luke. With the code Luke at checkout, you save an extra 5% on the currently already ongoing 40% discount, right? So it is 45% off the select accounts or 35% off Lightning Funded and Growth. So if you haven't already, make sure you use that right now. It is one-time use per user, and that's a special just because Luke is on Tradovate TV right now. So go take action.
Awesome. Yes, this is, yeah, we're giving out a lot of accounts today. So it is a special day. And we, you know, obviously enjoyed having you on here. I just want to know one last thing, okay? Because, you know, do you remember how many 180s that you hit in your last tournament, Luke?
No, I don't know.
We were told it's over 70.
Over 70?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think for the World Championships last year was 70 something.
Exactly.
So
Miriam, do you want to let the people know what that means?
Yes. So basically what this means is, you know, for every 180 that Luke hits during the World Championships from December 11th, we will be giving away a free funded account to one of our followers. So make sure you are tuned in from December 11th to see how Luke performs, right? Okay, because this is a big deal, right? You guys got to keep track because Luke hit 70, right? So, I mean, if it's more than that, you guys know what that means. So make sure you guys are watching Luke and seeing how he's doing, so you could be one of those lucky winners of those accounts.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome. It's going to be awesome. Hey, Luke, it was a real pleasure having you on. It was fun interviewing you. Hope you had a good time too. Obviously, we wish you like good luck for the World Championships. We hope you absolutely crush it again, as you usually do. And yeah, we're excited to be partnered with you.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. I'm proud to be partnered with Tradovate. Thank you.
Awesome. Love
it. Yeah. All right, chat. What a session. That was fire. That was fire. Crazy. Now, Miriam, should we go back to the charts?
Let's do it. Yep. So we are now open on the New York session. Ding, ding, motherfuckers. Let's go. So we opened about 3 minutes ago here. We are freaking flying up to the supply zone here on the NASDAQ. Pre-market high is now breaking here on the NQ. We do, like I said, have data.
Wait, you need to reshare your screen, man.
Oh, look at that. Got all excited. We had Luke on. It was just a whole blast. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen here.
That was fire. Like, how sick with like at the age of 18. I mean, come on, chat. Put a W in the chat for Luke. This is crazy. And make sure you use code Luke at checkout for an absolute insane discount right now.
I'm laughing at someone who said, I don't know who it was, but I think I read a comment that said Luke called those shorts out. We're just like pushing to the upside here. But as I was saying, guys, so we held this trend line here on the NASDAQ. We came up to previous day high. This was the level that I was initially looking for us to break to the upside. Of course, they end up doing this like right in the beginning. Hold on, let me put my charger on so I don't lose you guys.
Oh my God, 11%, Miriam? You would really do that to your computer?
I was literally at like 5%. Okay, so now that we've broken previous day high on the NASDAQ, I feel like it's just been this sort of sentiment where we make a big move like right when the market opens, and then a lot of times we don't do much from there. So yesterday was to the downside, today it's to the upside. I'm looking to see if this supply area is going to reject. So again, this area starts from 772. It goes all the way up to 830. So it's about a 50-point supply zone. Right now, we are getting a little bit of a reaction there. ES is also tapping into its pre-market high, not quite able to clear just yet. There's a little bit of divergence between the NASDAQ and ES. So I'm curious to see if we get a rejection here or a retracement back to previous day high here on the NASDAQ. Otherwise, we hold this pre-market high and just continue. I would think the next target would be 25,800. Bookmaps has some sellers sitting at 790. And 780. So like I said, we are getting a little bit of a rejection here. ES looking a lot weaker right now than NQ, but I do think ES has more room to the upside. But I'm kind of just eyeing it from here. We're gonna have to wait and see. We have data, like I said, data coming out at 10.
Two important things, chat. It's not like code Luke doesn't give you a 5% discount. It gives you 5% additionally to what we already have off. So the 40% discount for the select plans is now a 45% discount. And obviously the 30% is going to be a 35% for growth and lightning funded. So code Luke gives you the best discount I think that we have ever had. Not 100% sure, but this is big, guys. This is big. Also, we're going to announce the winners shortly here for the 14 150K lightning funded accounts. So stick around. It's going to be good.
I mean, these shorts might want to come in here. I don't think the shorts are quite out of the game yet. So I think Luke might have called a good one here. It was just, he's talking about later in the day, right? We're talking about shorting right around this area. So
he was talking about Asia high sweep and then short. I mean, obviously.
Yes. Or just new all-time lows.
Yep. But Miriam, there's just a reminder here. Your exit was fucking goated down there. That was teamwork.
That was teamwork. I'll give you 5%.
I'll take it. I would have done it for free, but I will take the 5%.
When I take a payout, I will buy you some Panda Express. How about that?
Hey, you just made
I think that's better
the
than 5%.
happiest man on earth. I appreciate that. I'm looking forward to it.
I love it. I won't give you some steak to put ketchup on it, though. That's not what I'm gonna do.
That's okay. That's okay. I mean, look, Luke Littler doesn't put ketchup on steaks, so I will stop. I will not do it anymore. I mean,
that I will not support. What are you seeing on the charts right now, Nick? What would you be looking at?
I see a massive green candle. Like, holy!
Wild.
What the helipad?
What the helly? What the helly?
Now,
right.
next target on ES or like next level is 6886, which is obviously the London high, Asia high, right? New York did tap right into that, like literally ticked it, but didn't sweep it yet. So let's see if NQ reverses here, we could see some nice short opportunities. If not, next strong level is 800, 25,800 on NQ.
Yeah, pretty much said, the same exact things. Like I said, those sellers are sitting on NQ, a little bit of sellers sitting at 780. We almost tapped into that area, but 790 would really be that next target for me.
790.
But you would have had to get in this so quickly, right? It's the same thing that happened yesterday, except, we were short. But again, I feel like these moves are kind of happening in the pre-market. So I hope this is not the move of the day. But like I said, we do have that data coming out. So it could change everything. We could completely get a reversal of this and those shorts could really come in. So I'm hoping for that, not going to lie.
Now, let's see. It's struggling here, though. It is.
How many steps have you gotten in so far, Nick?
Hey, today I'm not far, honestly. I'm at 6,500 right now. Usually at that time I'm already at 12. So
6,500.
I was lazy. Yeah, I was lazy. I don't know. But yeah, Andre the Giant says it right. He says Nick is pre-burning those calories for his Panda Express.
Yeah, there you go.
So
that's how you're able to eat so much, Nick.
Of course, that's why I
Your
do it.
body's just hungry all the time.
That is the reason why I do sports. Not gonna lie, so I can eat more. NQ is struggling up here. I'm wondering if we're gonna reverse or if we're gonna continue.
Right into the supply zone. Like I said, this is a 4-hour supply zone, so it is a pretty strong zone. This comes again. This comes all the way back from the 12th of November, and we had that deep pullback that we got. So would not shock me at all if we completely reversed here.
I'm starting to look for shorts. Actually, this is.
What would confirm a short for you?
I mean, I would need, honestly. I say I'm starting to look for shorts, but I would need to see the hourly close first. So. Not like I'm going to take a short right now, but I'm interested in shorts. Let's put it that way.
I am interested in shorts if we can break down below 678.
670.
Oh God, here we go. can't hide from that.
You just can't. It's just like price hangs around that. Maybe that's another meme, you know? It rejects 420 and 69, and now it just hangs around 67. We can't escape.
It's okay.
We cannot escape.
Yeah, I'm watching for shorts if we can break down below, because that would break the VWAP level, would break the 9 EMA, and then the opening range low sitting there. So I will be watching NASDAQ. And ES actually has some nice confluence there as well. So if ES can break below 68.75, I do like the shorts. But again, I'm hesitant whenever we're close to data like this, because you guys know I don't like being in a trade while we are getting the data. So I would really like if NASDAQ stalled here.
Let's see if Bebop
All in
holds.
slow for another 20 minutes.
Let's see if Bebop holds. Everybody who's waiting for the giveaway, guys, we're going to announce it shortly. Stick around. In the meantime, you can take advantage of the additional 5% discount code when you go to checkout at Tradovate.co. Just add the code LUKE, L-U-K-E, and you're going to get a banger discount. 45% on select plans, 35% on growth and lightly funded.
That's right.
Yeah.
Starting to get some selling pressure coming in here on both. Oh, wow.
Oh, there we go.
Wow. There it is.
So Luke was right. He said Asia high sweep and then short.
That's right.
I bet he took
TV exclusive.
I bet he took it with 180 minis.
You mean 3 macros?
Yeah, like the 180.
Megas?
He can only take 180s. That's just his nature, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Only 180s moving forward.
Yep.
That's also why he said.
That's also why he said short. He was like, the price is going to do a 180 up there at Asia highs.
Ah, that's a good point. That is a good point. Yeah, we really tapped right into that. Now we're trying to bounce, but I still don't trust it too much. Still don't trust it. So I am watching though.
Holy smokes. That did jump all the way down. Damn. Didn't even think it would go that far. Thought we were.
I'm over you, Nick.
I'm sorry.
Oh man.
What's your guys' settings on VWAP? I just use session-based VWAP. So anchor period session, and that's it. Besides that, I haven't changed anything on the indicator. Bullish on NQ says.
Looks like it might be flagging. Sorry?
I just repeated what somebody said in the chat.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, okay. All right. I think we got the winners. We got the winners for the giveaway. Mm-hmm.
Do it. Let's run it.
All right. Wait, I just need to before I run it, I need to confirm with Drew. Drew, could you send me like the list, copy paste in the background chat, so then I can paste the names in the chat after. That would be great.
I did just enter a short. I got triggered at 7:06, so I'm gonna be. I'm probably gonna add to this trade if we do get down to the 770 area.
Nice.
Gonna have a tight stop on this though, nothing crazy.
Okay. Okay, here's how we're gonna do it, chat. I'm gonna announce the winners, and then afterwards we're gonna paste a list of the winners. Drew is working on it. We're gonna paste a list of the winners in the chat, so keep an eye on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and announce them right now. Are we ready, chat? Should I? 14 150K lightning funded. Should I do it?
Ooh,
I wanna see the chat say it.
I like it.
Let's see. I think yes. Yes? 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 Okay. Let's do it then. All right. First, 150K lightning funded account goes to Kozigi, K-O-S-I-G-Y. I'll put it in the chat.
Ooh.
K-O-S-I-G-Y. Congrats. By the way, we have all your email addresses. We have all your everything. You don't have to claim it. We're just going to send you these accounts. So that is one of 14. Number
Nice.
2 of 14 is Christian Buckles. Christian
Wow.
Buckles.
Congratulations.
Got a 150K lightning funded. Number 3 is, oh, that one is tough. D3B4S1S. D3B4S1S. You just got a 150K lightning funded account. We're going to send it to you via email. Next one
Yay.
is Alexis Riveros 1968. Alexis Riveros 1968. Congrats. You also won a 150K lightning funded account. Then we have, oh, yeah, that's a sick name. Richie Rich, P5G8T.
Hey,
Richie
Richie
Rich,
Rich.
P5G8T. You also got a 150K lightning funded account. Then we have Prince Shah 1010. Prince Shah 1010. You also got a 150K lightning funded account. Then we have Square Tim 1381. Square Tim 1381. Another 150K lightning funded account. Then we have, oh, this one is hard.
Wow.
ABT had on beats. ABT had on beats. I think that's it. ABT had on beats. You also win a 150K lightning funded account. Next one we got. Yeah, well, this is gonna be tough. Oh, I see it on the email because the username is just like random numbers. But it is Oscar Alexis Cabrera. Oscar Alexis Cabrera, 150K lightning funded account. Then we have Herbert Guerra 8570. Herbert Guerra 8570. You win a 150K lightning funded account. You would win account. Hey, you win.
You
account.
win. You're just spewing them out.
Hell yeah. And then we have P-A-W-E. P-R. You also win a 150K lightning funded account. Then we have Gen X Trades by Lady E. Gen X Trades by Lady E. You also win a 150K lightning funded account. Then we have Donna H G9P. Donna H G9P. You win a 150K lightning funded account. And then Disposable Che4S. Disposable Che4S. You also win a 150K lightning funded account. Now, the official Tradovate channel is going to paste all these names into the chat as well. So if you missed your name or you're not 100% sure, have an eye on the chat. It's going to be pasted in there in a second. And congrats to the winners. That's $2 million worth of funding.
Wow.
14 150K lightning funded accounts. And as Miriam said before, right, throughout the World Darts, Darts World Championships, whenever Luke Littler hits 180, we're going to give away another funded account. So it's a lot of accounts.
That's a lot of accounts.
We did 70 something. So
Wild.
crazy.
Wild.
Whew.
Yeah, it's there's a
That was a lot.
I'm like looking, I'm like, and there's more. There's more.
And you get one. And you get one.
I got sunflowered turbo skier.
Wait, you got sunflowered? Who got sunflowered?
I thought that was a good thing. I thought getting
It is a good thing, I think.
I don't know. Based on the story that I told, it wasn't it wasn't great for me. If you know, you know.
I'm gonna
If you know,
paste
you know.
I'm gonna paste the names really quick. Actually, no, I can't. It needs to be a separated list. So Tradovate is gonna paste them in the chat. Have an eye on the chat, guys. Have an eye on the chat.
Oh, nice. It's me, Oscar. You did win. That's great.
Did he? Could be. I don't know. Can't remember the 14, but it's awesome.
I'm like,
That is
yeah,
sick.
Oscar Cabrera was one of the winners.
DXTrade is asking, when do you get the account giveaway? Well, if it has been more than 7 days and you didn't receive anything, then make sure you send an email to nickm@Tradify. Sorry, not Nick M. Ooh, that's mine. You want nick@Tradify.co. Nick@Tradify.co. That's background Nick. He's going to help you out.
You guys are funny in the chat.
They are funny. Hey, you missed my name.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you missed my name.
This is funny.
That was fun.
ANFX is asking, did I miss Luke the Nuke? Oh, yeah, you did.
Yeah.
But the good thing is all our streams
Come
at
on,
Tradify
go
are
up.
always recorded. So you
Get
can
up there.
just go back and rewatch it. It was a really interesting interview. What do you think about it, Mary?
Yeah, I mean, it's like I said, there's so much overlap with trading and, playing darts that you never would have thought would have overlap. But, anything involving athletics typically has some overlap with that, to be quite frank. But it was just cool, like hearing his perspective.
Oh man, come on.
He seems like such a mellow, stoic guy.
Oh.
And, he shows that
We're chilling.
in his
We're chilling, chillaxing.
in his actions, right? And
Yeah.
it's the type of
We were gonna go all in.
characteristics
Crazy,
that
huh?
you need in order to not
crazy.
just be a great
It's
athlete, but
crazy.
be great at what you're doing in general, right? Someone had asked, like, are you afraid of failing? He's like, his response was like, no.
He was like, what the fuck is
You
that?
know, he's like, why? But it was such an honest response too, because he wouldn't have gotten where he got if he was afraid of failing, right?
True.
So, and it goes into trading as well, because there's like I said, there's so much overlap with that. You can't be afraid to, for example, take a loss, right? Taking losses is inevitable. Just like in playing darts, you're gonna have losing days, and so being able to bounce back from those days is what's important, what sets you apart from those who actually.
Those
So
ones.
really cool hearing that. And
those ones
he's
did
so
hit.
mature for his age, right? I mean,
Took the
he just
$2
traded,
loss.
right? What was
It did trigger
Oh,
a thing.
Lord.
It is crazy.
Boom,
Very
boom.
different days.
I see real Chris B is asking, Nick, for those of us who don't play darts, what does it mean
Word.
to put up 80 instead of perfect score? It is a
Word.
180, so 180. If you look at the darts board, right, many people
Dang,
think
I really wanted to
that,
get in and
the
hold, because
bullseye
I
is the
really
best
feel like
field to hit.
we're gonna go
But the one
for,
that gives you the highest points is actually
and
the
then we would
little
probably
field,
be
the lower field
passing
in
the
the
one
20s,
account.
because
Crazy,
that is
huh?
a triple 20, so 60.
At least that's my
And you
thoughts,
have
anyways.
three darts, right, per how do you say? I don't even know what it's called, but you throw 3 darts in a row, and then your opponent throws 3 darts, and if you hit triple 20 3 times in a row, that's the highest score you can get for that specific throw of these 3 darts. That's 180.
Really felt like we were gonna go for all-time highs.
Yep.
All right, there's the list. Tradify, the official channel, just posted it. The winners list. So if you want to check, if you want an account, make sure you have an eye on that list. Somebody's like, why is my name not on there?
That's great.
Because you were not lucky today. But you might be
Maybe.
in the future.
NASDAQ and ES trying to break out of their opening ranges here.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see if we get the follow through. ES actually looks kind of stronger now than NASDAQ. Interesting how that flips, right? Interesting
Damn.
how, one seems to be the weaker one and then just completely starts changing sentiment.
Ripperoni,
I am kinda
guys.
curious to see what we do
Ripperoni.
at this 68.90 level here on ES. I'd be more curious on the longs than the longs on NASDAQ. But we do, like I said, we have that data. We have that data in 7 minutes, less than 7 minutes.
Yeah, that's kind of scary.
Yeah.
Although, like, the question is, how big of an impact is it going to have?
You never know, especially on a Friday. I feel like you never really know. You never really know.
We never know. It's true. It is true.
Naz is also coming into this 800 level. Very curious. Now I just rather wait for a pullback, but love this data to come out first before.
Yeah, now it's pushing though. 800s, that's the level I was looking for. Thank you, 25,800. This is an area where we could reject.
Yeah, exactly.
Definitely interesting.
Should have been it. Should have stayed in.
How are you doing, chat? Are we trading this? Has anyone taken a trade? I know some of y'all got into those longs in the pre-market. I know it.
So basically, judging by that, we would be up $200 already.
I mean, look, we have an excuse. We were busy talking.
We'd be up
to
at
the
400.
news, but they didn't. Yeah. Just saying.
This is true. This is true.
And you took a banger short right before that, so.
Yeah, yeah. Not as quite as big as this move, but I'll take it. I'll take it. We got about 4 minutes left until this data comes out. We are getting some resistance here at this 800 on NQ. Let's see if we hold opening range. Sitting on ES 6886, and the NAS is 777. Eagle number.
Eagle number. Hey, B Trader says we were busy watching you. That's fair. That's fair.
that's okay.
That's an acceptable
it.
excuse.
Very acceptable. All right. Is Homie on a treadmill? Yes. Homie is on a treadmill. Homie on a treadmill.
Somebody is asking, how much did you make, Mary? On your trade?
On those
Not updated
trades?
yet. Not updated
yeah,
yet.
we didn't update it. It was 3,100 on those.
Per account.
Per account, that is correct. See, this is a trade that I would take. This is a trade that I would be interested in taking. Again, being this close to data, I don't like it, but the fact that we bounced right at this opening range, ES looks so clean bouncing off of that. NASDAQ dipped right into that area too, so that would be a trade I would take, and then pretty much a tight stop like below the pre-market. Oh, ES would have to be about 5 points or so. Let's see if we get the hold.
Let's see. What about the market in the Christmas time? Elite scope, is it closed or open? If you mean the specific Christmas days, obviously then we have some market close days. You will always find it. Like if you go to CME holidays, you can find it on there. Like just go on Google, type in CME holidays. But most of December, the markets are open. It's just way lower volume, right? The last 2 weeks of December especially are super low volume, especially the last week. So just be careful. It needs a bit of a different trading style.
Yeah. All right, data coming out in 2 minutes here. Also,
let's see.
I think we're getting a little bit of we're gonna have a surprise guest come on in a bit.
Surprise guest? What?
Do you guys know who it is, or have an idea?
Take a guess, chat. Take a guess.
Who's gonna be joining me? Because I'm about to fire Nick.
What?
He had to bring up the whole catch up with stake thing with Luke today, and now we're just firing you early, okay? So
I'm already getting fired?
Yes. We told you not to bring up the catch up with stake thing. What are you thinking?
I was curious and I saw it asked in the chat.
Now we're not gonna get him again. This is all your fault.
God damn it.
Damn it, Nick. So embarrassing.
I'm sorry. I had to know. It was the
No
burning
Panda
question.
for you.
It was the burning question. Everybody wanted to know.
Oh man. I would have I don't know what I would have said or done if he would have been like, hell yeah, that's my favorite meal.
I would have been so fucking happy. This would have been so funny. Somebody
Come
in the chat
on,
room,
economic data
Somebody's
be
like,
in our
"Yeah,
favor.
Nick, how much are you making
Be
now? Well,
in
apparently
our
nothing because I just
favor.
got fired. Oh God.
yeah,
Damn it.
yeah, Nick needs that. Do you guys remember that Orbit commercial? Okay, you see, I tried showing this to Nick, but there was
There it
this
goes.
Orbit commercial that was like, oh, clean a dirty mouth, and it was like, the husband and there's a husband and wife, and then his mistress or something that he's cheating on, and then the wife comes in, she's like, you rotten da 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 da. I don't know, she's saying all these things, but then the lady's like, you lit liquor. They're saying all sorts of stuff. 10 a.m.
Oh,
candle.
there's data. There's data. Didn't do much. Yeah, that Orbit commercial is funny.
But you need a filter word for ketchup for sure. For sure.
We are
How do the
gambling.
winners get notified?
We are gambling.
Everybody who won one of the 14 150K Lightning funded accounts, you will get an email with a code that you can use at checkout. So the email address that you put into the forum, that is where we're going to reach out.
Hold.
I will not leave until the surprise guest is here. I refuse to get fired.
Yeah, see, people in the chat know exactly what the Orbit commercial. Oh boy, guys. All right, are you guys ready for our surprise guest? Because this is gonna be awesome. I'm hyped for this. So, Nick.
What?
Well, you, Nick. I'm talking to you. So, I need you to please.
Let's see. We're gonna
All right,
be smart
chat. I mean,
here.
it was a pleasure as usual. Stick around.
Not
surprise
really
guest
sure
coming
that
on in
this
a
is gonna
second.
hold.
Obviously, all the guys who came from Luke, welcome to Tradovate TV. Hope you're having a blast. And I will see you on Monday at 8 a.m. UK time for another London session. But now, on to our surprise guest. See ya.
Hey. Bye, Nick. All right, guys. Are you excited for our surprise guest here? Because he's coming into town. So we're going to bring on our surprise guest. Drew, whenever you're ready.
Gold
Hey!
dropping.
Hey, how we doing? Oh man, ho ho
It's
ho!
Santa!
It's Santa, baby.
Wait.
Maybe you should have
Where'd you
sold
get that
gold.
soundbite? I want that.
Bro, I have loaded up with sound bites. Don't even get me started on these.
Oh man, I'm gonna need to talk to you outside the stream here so I can get the same.
I literally have
Oh,
8
man.
pages on my stream deck right now. I got it all. I just
I
like to
feel like you
vibe.
need to go through each single one and just play them.
There's a page I can't play on stream. I play that with my friends.
Appropriate. Man, how's it going, Saint Nick?
It's going great. Oh, it's St. Nick's doing. Well, St. Nick's coming. Everybody's house is tomorrow on St. Nick's
Hey.
Day, so I'll see you guys there.
Well, Christmas already came early with these giveaways, so
Oh, it
you
really
know.
did. With the code,
Crazy.
the giveaways. I loaded up this morning. I actually just got I had a really nice long, pretty heavily sized, but we're up 3,600 on 5 select accounts, so we'll take
Ooh.
that.
Hell yeah.
Oh, I was up I was up Wednesday, and my problem is, I come on stream with Rebecca, and we're like, all right, we're gonna take some good trades with evals, and we take a good trade. I'm up $1,000. I'm like, okay, I can make an extra 14, or I can make like an extra 16, 1700, stay within consistency, break up into 2 more days, pass by Friday, and
Yeah.
then end up losing. And I give back my $1,000, and I'm like, what am I doing? And then in my head, it's an eval, so I don't have a lot of
Right.
patience for those. I'd rather be funded. And so, that's where I need to sit down with Coach Tank and have him walk me through how not to do that.
They don't call you Degen Saint Nick for nothing. So
No, they
you
don't.
know.
They don't. I want the red pill. Are you going? I heard you say that you and Nick are gonna go for the red pill.
I switched up because at first I was like, yeah, I love the fact that we can get daily payouts. That's fire. That's fire. But then I was like, I don't know. I kind of like the fact that there's no drawdown in the other one.
Yeah. You mean
So
daily
I-
loss limit?
What?
The daily loss limit?
Yeah, the
That's
daily
fine.
loss limit.
Yeah.
Like I like that, but that's why I was like, when we were talking to Brett, I was like, maybe I'll just do both. Maybe half of
I mean,
them.
he's
will
got
be...
the ultimate strat. I think splitting it up like 2 or 3 and 3 and 2 would be best. But I don't know. Rebecca and I were talking, and you could technically, if you were doing very well on your daily select accounts, you could be taking out, $12,500 a day, and
Crazy.
we're like,
That's
huh,
crazy.
that sounds kind of nice. We hit a nice play on a day and just take out a smooth 12 grand.
I know. So you're going red pill.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go all 5 red pill.
Oof. All right.
Yeah. I don't know.
Well,
We'll see. Maybe I'll mix it up. I'm easily convinced. You know that.
yes.
Be
DJ Nick
persuaded
is
very
also
fast.
yes, Saint Nick.
All
Yes,
right.
man, Saint
All
Nick.
right. Come on.
So
keep
you're
going.
so you took a long already.
Keep making
right?
this happen.
Yeah, I pretty much long the open.
Oh shit.
After we got that pump, I was like, okay, we're cruising. So I mean, it's funny because I was talking about this with Rebecca yesterday. I've only been around for one Santa rally last year, and I feel like we're just gonna repeat the same thing. And like on the daily, we're doing that. So I'm just gonna be bullish now until we break all-time highs.
Man. See, I'm kind of hoping for the opposite, but today seems like a day that we might just have a continuation trend day, because we're just floating up right now. ES is literally like, I mean, NAS is pretty much at the top of my supply, so we're breaking that right now. But man, I don't know. What would you like be interested in another trade, or are you just kind of like,
Oh yeah, I'll get I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get another account.
why do
So
I
I
ask?
have one I can I can make sure that I trade, and I don't trade these because they're capped out. Like this is the max for consistency.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
I need to get another account, and then I'll trade. I don't want to take a long way up here. I also don't want to short. So I'd want to pull back probably down to like, I don't know. It'd be a deep
Okay,
pullback
okay.
though. That's the problem. I want
Mhm.
below. I'd
With
want
the
like
next
between 740,
Rocky.
760, somewhere around there. What about you? What are you looking for?
Come on. Come on.
I would think.
No.
I would, yeah. I see. That's the
No.
thing too. I want the opening range, like that tap in the opening range on ES. I don't even know if I would have got triggered on that, to be honest. Like
Ready for the
that was
all-time
high.
so
Let's go.
clean on ES, but yeah, I also don't want that deep of a pullback. Like if we get that deep of a pullback, I'm like, ooh.
I
don't
know.
know.
So then at that point, I'm like, do I short?
Right.
If I
Do
think
I
we're gonna
split?
get a pullback that hard, do I just short it?
Right. Yeah. It's either that or you just continue like, because this now feels extended on ES, at least on the 5-minute. So it's
Yeah.
like I would want little candles kind of like trickling down rather than just like one massive bear candle. And then we'll see from there. Like for ES, for example, if we get some movement back down to like 890, again, I don't want to see it all happen in one candle, but like if we do get something like that, then I'd be more interested in the long. But other than that, I'd like a pullback to the opening range high.
Okay, I like that. Yeah, I mean that's like, I don't know. I sometimes like it's like I can't tell if we're on a day where it's like buy the dip, and
Yeah.
I
Or
like
short
timing
the
those.
highs.
Yeah, or short the highs. And I know you like to short. I like to short. I'd love to
Man.
short. I just don't want to be the guy that shorts the highs and then it just keeps going.
No, and then it continues higher. Yeah.
Yeah,
And now you feel like an idiot. It's like,
exactly.
what are you? An idiot savage. Yeah, chat. What do we think, chat? I'm curious to hear what you guys think. I know we were gonna put a poll in the chat earlier, but I want to know, like, what do you guys think? Are we nearing? Are we feeling a little extended? Because it does feel extended, but it's also the market will do what the market wants to do, and we've seen the market run up another 300 points from where we didn't think it would. So for me, it's again, it's kind of like we're in some interesting areas. Oh, there we go. We got a chat
I'm
poll up here. So
multitasking.
are we extended?
Shit right now.
Are we extended?
Yeah, you know what? I'm just
No,
gonna
not we're whipping
I'm
all
gonna
of
take out the red hammer. We're gonna run this shit to the ground. I'm just gonna wait for an entry. Probably. Actually, wait. I need another account. Timeout.
it. Nick's loading up
Here-
another.
Is that discount code still working?
Yeah. Can I please?
Can I use that?
May I have another account, please?
Yeah, I want to get another one, and then I want to see.
Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Breakthrough. I want you to break through.
Okay, so
Like
Pull
below
so far.
790.
Through.
ooh, poll is kind of split 50-50 almost. 49% saying yup, back down. And then 51%
Pretty interesting.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Well, you know
I want
how,
that breakthrough.
we decide everything in Power Hour with a very strategic future teller. We're just gonna pull up this roulette wheel real quick.
I don't think I've ever seen this.
Breakthrough.
Wait,
Never
can we
seen this.
share? Can we share his screen? Okay, there we go.
Nobody's ever seen the roulette wheel. This is how,
I
like,
don't
if we're
think I've seen this
undecided
one.
on the poll. All right, so if everybody's saying we're ripping all day, we're gonna put it all on black. And if it hits, then we truly will rip all day. But if it doesn't, then we're going down. I still think that we're gonna go. Oh, okay, we're ripping all day. Black. It's been decided. Buy the dip is my strat today.
All right. You heard the man.
Best hour came early. I gotta go from like a 10 to a 5.
Like minis?
No, degeneracy.
Degeneracy skill.
Gotta grab count real quick. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, baby. Breakthrough.
Yeah.
No, breakthrough. We want the breakthrough, man.
I love what Julian said. So, Miriam, I think you should do another Chat Decides account, except make it an opposite account. So you take the trade opposite of what Chat decides.
I love that. That's a
That
great
sounds
idea.
fun. I would do that. You know what? We'll do that. We'll do that. We'll see if we can get to a payout.
I love
Imagine.
chat to size. It's so fun.
That's awesome. Like, how does it work? Do you do it from the open? Or do you just like look at what,
So
how do we do this? I'm so new to this. I don't know.
I think what you'd have. All right, so it's funny enough. I have some experience with this because I'm filming an AI
Oh, I know.
trades series right now. So, well, okay, I know. This is a little different. So what I think you should do is you show everybody the chart at like 8:15 and get some feedback from the chat. Do they want to market? Do they want to limit? And then we can do like a buy or sell, or like short or long, and then we can start calling out like zones. Like I had to talk ChatGPT through. It's obviously a lot easier to talk to AI, but if you were able to, which I'm not going to spoil it because there's actually a very interesting outcome in this video. But I think short or long, limit or market, and then pick out some zones. And I think you have to make the ultimate decision on like where.
Oh, okay.
And then
Okay,
have them
so-
define your risk in TP.
I define my risk in TP.
No, the chat.
The chat does. Okay.
Yeah, have the
I
chat
like that.
define it.
I like that. I like that.
And then
I
it's
think
up
I'll
to
do
them.
that.
And if they fail, then they're bad.
Okay.
All right,
Okay,
chat, I
come
kinda
on.
like this. Man, we are just ripping. We are just ripping. The buyers are
gonna be a-
coming in hot today.
It's gonna be a buy the dip. I'm telling you. Not that I want it to be, because like how the hell we're not even gonna get a dip. It's just gonna keep going.
That's what I'm saying. No pullbacks
So they're just gonna
today.
keep going. NQ 25852 ES breaking 6900. Wow, ES.
Crazy.
Goodness gracious.
Crazy. Like, we literally just had a
Russell.
gap and go on SPX, which, oh my god, I did not take
The
that.
Russell's mooning. Even gold's up right now. Like everything. It's Santa's here. He came early.
trade. Well, it's you.
Oh, I
You
know.
are Sam. Man. Chat, are we in a trade right now? Like this, I can't get a pullback. I cannot get a pullback.
You know what? I gotta stay focused, but could be one of those buy in DCA because it's just. What if we just stair step this thing all day?
I know. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
I would have done
Oh man. All right.
for short. I don't think so. Although I don't know. I mean, like I could be convinced.
I don't know.
Shorts could look pretty good here.
Your soundbite. I I had to check and like look around. Like, wait, who's?
Miriam's like, who's talking?
I'm gonna have nightmares about this now. I don't know.
Wait, did your that is your smoke detector in the background actually? Because that will drive me crazy if your smoke detector's going off.
Oh, honey, no, that is not mine. That is definitely yours.
Oh, honey, no. Oh my god, that's funny. I might be a psychopath
There's
about
definitely no beep and smoke detectors in this household. I will go crazy.
that.
I will lose it.
Not the
Good thing my
ceiling
husband
bird.
called.
Funny.
What?
Someone called it a ceiling bird.
I kind of want to just TP.
That's actually
The bird.
hilarious. All right, where's my new account here? Everybody disregard these accounts.
I feel
These are
like
funded accounts
we're gonna
from
come
Google
back. It's
last
just gonna
year
hit
that
my
for some reason are just still in my.
stop loss.
These are the first. These are like some of the first. Look at these are some of the first accounts I ever had at Tradovate, and I was one of the first people to get like I don't know, first 20 or so people to get a payout, and I just have left them here for like nostalgia.
Oh, look at that.
Like, I stopped trading them when I became a moderator, and then, lo and behold, I
Wait,
guess
so
I
they're
could have
still
kept
active?
trading them, but what?
They're still active?
No, I can't trade them, but they're just solidified here like a statue. They're the first
Oh.
version of the straight to funded accounts ever.
Dang.
I know, it's awesome.
That's great. Dang, you're killing it though.
I want it
these
to
accounts
move
look pretty
higher.
nice. I gotta get my
Come on.
new one in here. Let's see if we can catch the mega short.
The mega short, is that coming in here?
We didn't get super
Okay,
long
this is
here.
so
Man, that would be a good move for this
And
also.
then there's the Grand Cup account in here, which is live.
We would be
Disregard that.
basically back into a
Yeah,
point
Santa-
where we can
Santa's
actually
ignoring us
take a
in the
mini,
background chat
but
here.
no.
Okay, yes. Stan's busy. He's making toys and delivering.
Yeah, he's too busy being a Dijon Saint Nick.
Yeah, DJ St. Nick is occupied.
Dang,
It's funny,
Smith
like these. I think I'm
Financial-
gonna like give myself like a neck issue because whenever I wear these glasses, I have to look down. It's
Are
just
tho-
like
do they
I like get
actually
off.
have glass in them, or is it like see through?
No, there's glass in them, but it's like pretty see through.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
that's great. That's great. Okay, yeah. So Smith Financial, man, so you've been in a gold.
We
trade
have
since
this
last
set
night?
to take profit
That's wild.
at
Good for you. I do not have that patience.
Oh man, that is crazy.
our profit goal.
42.39. Dang, you're up. You are up.
That is
Wild, huh?
insane.
We would have kept it
39.
in.
Dude, you basically caught the bottom.
It would be $200
Pretty much
less
caught the
than
bottom.
that. All right, come on, punch it.
Caught the bottom on
Punch
gold.
it.
You'd be
All-time highs, baby.
undisclosed location
All-time
somewhere.
highs.
No toys this year, kids. Santa lost them all to Easter Bunny. No, I lost them all to NQ. I leveraged all of your toys, guys. Gone.
NQ paid for them, and then I lost them.
Yeah, NQ paid for them. And
Let's
that's
go.
okay.
Come on. No.
And they're gone.
No.
And they're gone.
Oh man. Well, guys, we're gonna be bringing on another guest, Nick. So I don't know if you know,
Oh, yeah.
but we're bringing on another guest. So this
checking
guest
the
in
background chat.
No.
You what?
Come on.
I'm checking the background chat now.
Keep
Oh,
going.
Oh, good. Okay, so he's locked in. But
Keep going.
our guest is one of our Grand Cup finalists, I believe.
Oh yeah, still in it.
Shoot.
Still in it.
Shoot,
So
shoot.
we're gonna be talking to Ty, who's gonna be coming on here. So let's go ahead and bring Ty on.
Come on. Don't take a $60 hit.
Welcome,
Hey,
Ty. How we
Ty.
doing?
$80 hit.
Good. How you guys?
Good,
Great.
good.
Great.
Thanks for hopping on today.
Yeah, thanks for having me, man.
So did you you place any trades today or what?
So I am in a trade right now. I'm thinking long. See, PCE came out, I believe, and the dad seems to like it.
This is where the bounce needs to happen.
We ran hard after the Asian session to London, and we saw a little bit sell off, but then seemed like the the bulls stepped in and went long, and I don't see.
Right
I'm looking
there.
at this
Keep the
and
bounce.
thinking every
No.
dip is getting bought up,
No.
and we might get a front run
No.
towards FMC next week, and I think market's gonna front run that starting probably today towards next week. So yeah, I like long. So every dips, I'm probably gonna be a buyer.
Dang it.
Looking forward maybe
All right.
up to the maybe 900s today.
Wild.
Possibly.
I
Yeah.
like it.
Yeah.
It's very possible.
And that's almost what we were just talking
Like-
about.
Well,
too. Like
break
you were
through
saying,
the
like,
top.
It's gonna be a buy the dip kind of day, and
Yeah. Look at
if you run.
No. 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 No.
look at XLK, like the tech.
Dang
like,
it, we
it's
could have
just
been-
ripping, right. And then
Yeah.
I mean, Nvidia is kind of down, but it's not really affecting anything. And it's like the broader market is up. So
Right.
yeah, pretty bullish right now.
Crazy.
Oh
crazy.
well.
So you are
Okay.
currently one of the Grand Cup finalists, which is amazing, by the way. Congratulations for staying in the game. So Ty, like I guess kind of give us some intro about like your trading background.
Almost would be positive.
Where you know, if you how long you've been trading for, what
Completely.
got you into the Grand Cup in the first place. We want to hear it.
Sure. Yeah. So I started trading for like 6 years ago.
240.
Started with options, and didn't do well. You know, as a trader, you're gonna lose some money, but that's the tuition.
Took $100
of
loss
starting
on this
trading.
one?
I learned everything by myself. It's self-taught. My education.
This would have made our
from,
account positive
Twitter
for
and
the
YouTube,
week.
and a lot of end sniper.
102.40.
And then I think probably got introduced to futures within 2 years ago, and that's when I started becoming more profitable. It's funny how I started getting more profitable with futures, and then my option trading got better too, along with it. So
Oh, nice.
Interesting.
that was
Yeah.
pretty cool. As far as the Grand Cup, I heard about the Grand Cup from Tradovate. I was like, yeah, I'm interested. I like tournaments because back then I used to play a lot of poker, so I
wow.
kind of get the feel of tournaments. Yeah, so when I saw the tournament, I was like, okay, this is kind of what I've been used to before. And starting the tournament, I knew I had to be aggressive because it's kind of like a rebuy because we get 3 reset, right? So I figured people are gonna be aggressive and try to gain as much buying power as possible, right, to get ahead. But I'm also looking at the field to see how aggressive people are, like probably the same week, see how many people are dropping, how many people are up, how much the leaderboard is up. So the lead guys were like up like almost 20, 30K, you know, at some
Yeah.
point. I'm like, wow, they're up so much here. Like I'm not gonna catch up to them, but let's see if I could be in the middle range, the field. So I was playing pretty safe throughout the whole session until like the last day. I was almost like knocked out, to be honest. It was a crazy last day where I was up 20K. I knew that was not safe because you know people were gonna go all out to make it to the finals. So throughout the day, I think I lost 10,000, and I was like, okay, this is not looking good. And then at the final last hour, I saw a good setup for short. I was
Dang
like,
it.
okay, I'm gonna put all my chips in. I'm going on for this. Took 5 minis and then caught the move and just add on to it. I think I made like at least 20K extra or something to cover my loss plus to stay above to make it to the finals. And I was biting my nails too. I was like, I don't know if this is good enough. You know, I was like, is this good enough? So I was waiting to like the last closing bell, and I keep refreshing the page and see if I make it. You know,
Dang it.
and I was so excited. Like, yes,
Should have
I
stayed
made
in,
it.
guys.
That's awesome.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, so it was a thrill ride. I love it. I love how you guys threw that out there.
I guess that
It's
should have been
fun
an
to
obvious.
have a train- and you know, I think it was in a testament to me
Should have
that
just,
I made it that far. So
you know, we were going for broke.
I love it.
Oh
Man.
yeah.
Mhm.
No, I agree. That's awesome.
That
What's your username on the leaderboard so we can pull you up?
Fat Monkey.
I was just gonna say, can you show that? Yeah.
Fat Monkey. Fat Monkey is a username.
Okay.
It's my
That's
gamer
dope.
tag.
I was gonna
So,
say, is that a gamer tag?
yeah, it is.
Remember, we just got to remember,
Okay.
it's
I'm not
okay.
doing so well right now. I'll be honest.
You
but-
know,
and
that is
I got
okay.
liquid
That's
here.
all right.
We were
For some reason,
hoping.
so I can't even trade that account. I'm in an instant funding account from you guys, so I'm trading that.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, here you are. All right, so you're low, but you're not out.
Right, and
You're
I'm
still in.
I don't know why I can't trade though, but I wanted to trade that account today, but I can't.
Maybe
So- Oh, I was just gonna say, like, okay, so how do you, because it sounds like your poker instincts kind of came into play towards the end of, like, getting into the finalists, right? And so, what is your strategy now, kind of going into this?
Okay,
I think next time
as far as
we
finally,
just.
when it first started, I was.
Well,
still
no, I mean
feeling
we're
out.
always
I
trying
was
to hit the
play safe.
top.
That's my first thing. I was like, I'm just trading micros until I see how far the field is.
Okay.
And as the first day, I was like, wow, like a lot of
With,
people got eliminated. I was like, they're pretty aggressive.
The first target,
So,
right?
I'm
So
I'm
we're
gonna
good.
sit back because with poker,
Why
you
not?
wanna, as long as you have a chip on the table,
We
you have
are
a chance to
good.
win. So I'm gonna sit back
Yeah.
and just play macros for a while. Unfortunately for me, I had no luck.
Should
every
have
single day
been
I
a
was
little bit
in the losing
further
trade. The
along.
market was so choppy, this past week,
But
right? So it was
It's
hard
okay.
for
Then this
myself
is why we're
to get a
rotate
good trade in.
accounts.
So
I
was like,
think.
okay, I was still gonna play safe. Last night I kind of messed up a little bit, and then now really big. So I have like less than
Breaking
maybe
through.
less than 300 left.
Okay.
Or
Hey,
drawdown.
you can come back from that. There's
Right,
still
right.
hope.
There's still hope. So I'm gonna keep playing it safe. I think a lot of people will start to crack under pressure as next week goes, and so we'll see. I mean, if people start to trickle down and eliminate, I'll look at the field. I'll look at the standings, and if I can move up just by staying alive, I'll try to stay up. And then if there's good opportunity for me to come back, if the market presents itself, maybe I'll get a little bit aggressive to get some money back so that I could possibly compete with the top 10. Because right now they're ahead. It's gonna be hard to catch up. So.
But either way, you're winning, right? Like, there's
Right.
not a lot of people that can say. I mean, 74 traders out of how many, Nick, did we start off with? Like 17,000?
Right, it was a lot.
Oh,
It was
like total
17,000.
traders? Yeah, it was like 17,000.
Right.
And you're in the
Crazy.
top 74.
So let alone, I mean, this is a massive accomplishment. The fact that you even got this far, Ty, is something to, you take yourself out to a nice dinner after this. Like,
Yeah,
that is
yeah.
a huge, huge accomplishment. So congratulations. I wanted to ask real quick. So do you specifically trade the NASDAQ or do you trade other instruments as well?
So lately I've dabbled into gold and then Nasdaq, and then it depends. Like I kind of want to switch to Russell or it's RTY because I think it's a good environment for Russell to have a good strong rally towards next year too, because the rate cuts is good for small caps. So I might be looking at that next year. But so far, yeah, for my thing is Nasdaq because it's like the crack. It's just people love it. It moves fast. I know you know it. It's just
NASDAQ
hard
junkies over here.
Yeah,
Unite.
exactly.
Yeah.
It's just so hard to get away from. It's just the way it moves.
Yeah.
I love the volatility in it. But
Yeah.
gold is also gold is pretty nice too. But it's just gold is more. It moves more during the Asian session, I believe.
Yeah, exactly. I'm still yet to take my own gold trade. I haven't traded gold yet.
Oh,
But
really? You should try it. It's kind of like a mini crack. Okay.
yeah,
Like a mini crack.
just a little bump,
Like,
just
like a little bump. That's all it is. But
oh man, that is awesome. That is awesome. Well, I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting
you.
for you. I hope you get. You know what? Like I'm not gonna listen. That's why I say there's always hope. I remember taking. I was in I had $170 left.
See, this is why we didn't
in a
get
funded
crazy.
account.
We didn't
I
jump
brought that
in.
shit all the way
I really
back.
wanted to. I started breathing
So like,
heavy.
I don't even know how I did it, but I did it. So
Right.
I'm
We're taking
rooting
a
for you.
gold
I'm
trade
sending you
now.
all the love and the positive energy.
We're gonna risk $5 to try and
So
make
I'm rooting for you. And
75,
I hope to see you at the top
$70.
there. But regardless,
happens.
congratulations on your success, and we hope to see you again soon.
And
Ty.
that's gonna be that trade.
See you guys soon too.
Don't know
Next
that
week,
that's
you're going to
gonna
be in the
work
top
out,
10.
but
You're coming back
It
on
can.
TV.
It'd be,
Yeah, if it
it'd be a
does,
miracle.
it'll be awesome.
Yeah, you'll see me.
I love it. All right. Well, have a great rest of your day, Ty. We'll see you
guys
again
too.
soon.
Happy holidays.
Thanks, Ty.
Bye.
Oh,
Gold
Oh,
is
man.
starting to pump.
I want to be in the
wow.
top.
Pretty nice.
It's so cool
And
to
our
see
time
all
is
the
about up.
traders that are
Awesome,
integrated
guys.
still, that
It
are,
look
just
Oh,
the
it's
way that they,
crazy.
like, I think I lasted maybe a week.
I didn't even last a week. I think I had like 3 days.
I remember
My
getting
style just
seeing a
isn't
message.
suited for it.
Yeah, I remember seeing a message from you in the chat. You're just like, well, Dija Nick is no longer in the group. And it was like 2 days in.
Oh gosh, I was so like he said, like everybody came out the gate just like so hot. And I'm like, shit, I gotta really trade. And I was up 5K, and I got the access to 5 minis. And I was like, boom, this is it. This is my last account. We're either going to 12K, we're going to 0. And I picked the wrong side.
Dang.
I was like,
Well,
shit.
It's okay. It's okay.
Next time. I'll
Next
still play
time,
the
yeah.
exact same, but hopefully this time I get a little luckier.
But the thing is, I mean, listen, I've seen you trade. You're a great trader, Nick. Like, you are a great trader. I'm not trying to.
All right,
like,
gold
toot
is
your own
moving
horn
up.
here, But I mean, as
We-
much as we like.
You guys want to see
know,
the trade real quick?
joke
This
around
is it.
about, like being a DJ and stuff. You
We've
actually have
on
some
the
good trades.
hour.
You
Let's
actually
go
have some good trades, So
the
Yeah, I
hour.
can
This
cook
is what we're looking at.
sometimes. I can get in the kitchen a little bit.
We're
but,
trying to target here. Let's
it's
take
more
that
fun
over
it's more fun for me to kind of use some evals and go a little crazy sometimes.
on the
but,
day.
yeah,
This is
just
what
let it
we're
out
looking
a
at.
little bit.
yeah, that's why I always end up having like an extra eval for that, so that if I
We're
get
hoping
the
for a
itch, then
punch
I just flip over
upwards.
to the eval and leave
Makes
the
sense.
fundeds alone.
Don't touch.
Do not touch
All loves, guys.
the.
We are doing it.
Well,
You're
this is
doing it.
buy the dip scenario right
So
I was gonna say, like,
If we go to
I mean,
4 hour
ES
real
honestly
quick.
Kind of looks. Do you trade ES?
Yeah, I actually used to trade ES a lot, and then NQ just like I traded NQ at first, switched to ES because NQ is way too crazy. And I was like, wait, I kind of missed that, and then came back to NQ. I don't really touch ES anymore. It's too slow for me.
I know. Maybe you just have to size up more.
Oh,
And then
don't
it'll
tell
be
me
fine.
that.
I'm like-
gonna...
This is
little
probably
scary.
not a great mix between the two of us.
yeah,
This is
Oh,
a recipe
man.
for disaster.
it really is. It is, but that's okay because we're gonna bank, and I'm gonna catch these damn shorts. I just need.
Oh, you're looking for shorts right now. Okay.
Yeah, I know. We're bull flagging, but I mean, yeah, we just bull flagged, ran up, bull flagged, probably running up. I don't know. It's one of those things. Like I think the one time I came on, I don't like to buy so high.
I know.
I mentally
agree.
cannot get past it.
I agree.
Smart Santa. Is it though?
Is it?
all right, we do gotta go. All the
Uh,
loves. Peace.
See, you're everyone in the chat thinks you're goated.
Hell yeah, let's go. DJ Nick's the Coach DJ and Santa. That's funny. Oh yeah, yesterday was funny because when I
I
started.
think
up
we
like
are
1,000,
going to move
Rebecca and I
up
came on,
now.
and then I
Here,
went down like 1,000 or 1,500.
probably. I
don't
guess
know
we
what
could
it
have
was, maybe it
stayed
was
in. I don't
2,000.
know. I don't
And
really.
then Rebecca was sharing her
I mean,
screen, like,
technically,
talking
I
about
think we're supposed
something,
to
and I just
set
pulled my Tradovate off to the side,
at break
and then I
even
just
once it
was
hits.
scalping like a madman, but I wasn't talking.
If
and
we were
then
to look
someone's
at
like,
it, I
"Nick's
think
quiet,
we're
what's
supposed to
going
hit
on?"
break
And
even
then I
here,
come back
right?
on, I'm like, Rebecca,
I don't know.
we're back.
This is where
we're
we hit
up,
break
we're
even,
on the day.
and then
We
hope
came back
for.
from that.
I think once we
Dang, that's when you
pass up
know.
into the middle,
That's when
I'm
you know,
I'm,
like,
I'm
when
Wasn't
taking
like
like flow
half.
state.
Yeah, like when
You
you're
know this.
hyper
This is
focused.
what
like,
we're taking. I
sometimes
was a
it's
little
funny 'cause
lower just
even,
in case it did come back
Swiss
down.
Nick will be
It
like,
did.
"Are
I
you in
probably
a trade
should have
right now,
took
Miriam?"
half
Yeah.
I'm like, how do you
of
know?
it and
You're
hope
quiet, like, locked
for
in,
full
like, you're just,
TP
like, way too
is what I'm
focused. Like,
thinking.
oh yeah, they're in the trade.
Maybe. I'm not
Oh,
really sure,
man.
100% sure, but that's
Yeah, this is
that's
an
the thought.
interesting area because like we're still holding these levels. Like
don't
we
think
have
it
not even
matters.
broken any market structure whatsoever.
But anyways,
Even
we
though it
are
looks like we're finding some resistance here,
positive
it's still like
for the
I'm
day.
in the same boat. I don't
lot of our
want to
accounts,
initiate
not a
long
whole
here,
lot,
at
but
the
we
same
are
time, like,
positive. We
I
did have a
can't think
positive
of
day.
how I'm gonna short
Finally.
this.
Finally.
I know.
So,
Same. Like I
good day.
almost want
Good
to
day.
on these days. I like
Um,
to size down, like actually strat
boom.
wise.
Oh,
like when I know it's
no.
just buying the dip. Sometimes I flip to like a different kind of model where I will size in with lower like size, like micros. So I'll go in on a 150K, I'll do like 3 or 4, and I'll give myself
not
like a
what we
50,
wanted
60
to
point
do.
stop, and I'll average down to about like a mini total, but it ends up becoming like a 25, 30 point stop, and I'm much more comfortable with that.
Okay.
Like on days that are like this, where it's just every dip you buy after the first hour of the open.
Got it. Okay. I was gonna say
I don't
60
do that,
points on
but-
3 minis. Your account boom.
Oh hell no! No, it's like
Yeah,
3
God.
micros.